Why internal combustion engine are called internal combustion engine? Let's start. In IC engine, we have combustion inside the thermodynamic system. In thermodynamics, system and surrounding are defined. So when combustion takes place within the thermodynamic system, then we can consider it as internal combustion. So in case of IC engine, the combustion takes place within the thermodynamic system, so it is called internal combustion engine. So let's take an example of external combustion engine. So in case of external combustion engine, combustion takes place outside the engine. Here our engine is consist of four components, that are boiler, turbine, condenser and pump. But the combustion takes place in furnace, which is outside the thermodynamic system. So this is called external combustion engine. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. We'll meet you in the next video.